Good morning, students. Welcome back. Uh, we will continue our lecture of 11th standard science. Last lecture we have completed up to question number 3. That is, we have seen how to draw the angles, water co-terminal angles, and how to convert degree to radian and radian to degree. Also, we have seen one relation, that means that is 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Another relation is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That we all know. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This is the notation for second. This is the notation for minute. Now, in question number 4, we have to express the given angle into degree, minutes and second, if possible. Question number 4, sub question 1, 183.7 degree. 183.7 degree can be splitted into two parts. One is the complete part and one is the decimal part, leftover part. So 183 is removed from 183.7. So leftover part is 0.7 degree. Getting it? So this is already converted into degree. Now this part is converted into minute first. So for converting into minute, we have to 60 multiplied it by 60. So 0.7 into 60 will be 42. There is no decimal part here. So nothing can be converted into second. So it would be 00 second. So you have to write 183 degree, 42 minute and 00 second. Next question, 245.33 degree. Again, the full part is 245 degree and decimal part is 0.33 degree. Getting it? Now this part will be converted into minutes by multiplying 60 to it. So this will be 0 6 6 the 18 3 6 the 18 plus 1 19.8 minutes. Again we have to convert this into two parts. 245 degree, 19 degree, 19 minute and 0.8 minute. See, 19 and 0.8 minute. Now this part can be converted into second. I am writing here 245 degree, 19 minute, 0.8 into 60. This will be in second. 245 degree, 19 minute, 8 6 are 48, 48 second. Getting it? है easy? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Question number 5, exercise 1.1. Question number 5. In triangle ABC, measure of angle A is 7 pi upon 36 radian. Measure of angle B is 120 degree. Find measure of angle C. Find measure of angle C in degree and radian. Again easy question. In a triangle, two angles are given to us. Measure of angle A is given, measure of angle B is given. We have to find measure of angle C in both degree and radian. Now we have in triangle ABC, measure of angle A, measure of angle B, measure of angle C is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle. Okay. So measure of angle A is 7 pi upon 36 radian. This will be 120 degree. Measure of angle C is 180 degree. Now this is in radian, this is in degree and this is in degree. So we have to convert this into degree first. What is the formula? To convert radian into degree, we have to multiply it by 180 by pi. Plus 120, वो साइड जाएगा, is 180 minus 120. ये पाई और ये पाई क्या, 36 फाइजा 180, 7 फाइजा 35 डिग्री कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. दिस विल बी इन डिग्री. गेटिंग इट? Measure of angle C is 60 degree. and right here plus 35 वो साइड जाएगा minus 35. Measure of angle C 60 degree minus 35 degree. Measure of angle C is 25 degree. ये किस में आ गया अपना आंसर? डिग्री में. नाउ इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे किस में? रेडियन में. By multiplying it with pi by 180. 5 5 जा 5 36 जा 5 pi upon 36 रेडियन. डन. आगे आंसर समझा? इजी है. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन रीड कराओ. टू एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल आर 5 pi upon 9 radian, 5 pi upon 18 radian. Find the degree and radian measures of the third angle. Find the degree and radian measure of the third angle. Clear? Here we have given two angles. Both are in radian. So first we have to convert both angles into degree, and then the procedure is same. Let measure of angle A is 5 pi upon 9 radian. Convert this into degree. 5 pi upon 9 into 180 upon pi degree. This pi cancel, 9 into 20. So this will be 100 degree. Measure of angle B is 5 pi upon 18 radian. Convert again into degree. This will be 180 upon pi degree. ये और ये कट 10, ये और ये कट बचेगा 50 degree. So we have to find out measure of angle C. Now in triangle ABC, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is 180 degree. Measure of angle A 100 degree plus measure of angle B 50 degree plus measure of angle C 180 degree. Add this two, this will be 150 degree plus measure of angle C is 180 degree. I'm solving here. 150 उधर जाएगा. Measure of angle C 180 minus 150. Measure of angle C is 30 degree. Getting it? This is the answer in degree. So convert this into measure of angle C is 30 into pi by 180 radian. Here you cut 6 pi upon 6 radian. This is the easy. आ रहा है समझ में? आसान है ये. ठीक है. Sorry. We'll move to question number 7. जो भी नहीं आ रहा होगा get back to me. Question पूछो. सबसे इजी चैप्टर पढ़ा रहा हूँ मैं अभी 11th का. आगे जाएंगे थोड़ा टफ होते जाएगा. Question number 7. In a right angle triangle, the acute angle are in the ratio 4:5. Find them in degree and radian. Now important term here is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, that means one angle is 90 degree, isn't it? So let in triangle ABC, measure of angle A is equal to x degree, measure of angle B is equal to, or you don't write this, let measure of angle A is equal to 90 degree. Now let us draw the diagram. This is B, this is A, and this is C. You can give name as per your convenience. This is 90 degree. Now these two angles are in the ratio 4:5. Acute angle, these two are the acute angles, isn't it? They are in the ratio 4:5. So let the common multiple BK. Okay, therefore the acute angle R 4K and 5K, 4:5 है ना, 4K and 5K. Now in triangle ABC again, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus, now this will be 4K and this will be 5K and this is 90 degree. Measure of angle C is 180 degree. Sum of all angle of triangle. Measure of angle A 90 degree. Measure of angle B is 4K. Measure of angle C is 5K 180 degree. ये 90 वो साइड चला जाएगा. So this will be 4K plus 5K will be 9K. 4K plus 5K 9K will be 180 minus 90. So 9K is equal to 90 degree. K is equal to 10. Now the angles are 4K and 5K. Therefore the acute angles are 4K. K का value 10 है, that is 40 degree. Convert 40 into pi by 180. 4 and 4 0 0 4 2 are 2 9 are 2 pi by 9 radian. This is in degree, this is in radian. Again 5K 5K 5 into 10 50 degree. 50 into pi upon 180 0 0. This will be 5 pi upon 9 radian. Getting it? Clear? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. इजी है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. The sum of two angles is 5 pi radian and the difference question number 8 is 60 degree. Find them in degree. Now let us define the two angles first. Let the two angles be X and Y. Okay, according to given condition, sum, that is addition of these two, is X plus Y is 5 pi radian and difference X minus Y is 60 degree. This is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. Now we have to convert. This is degree, this is radian. Can't be added or can't be subtracted. We have to convert this into degree. First I will convert this into degree. 5 pi radian can be converted into 180 by pi in degree. ये pi कट हुआ. 180 into 5 will be 900 degree. So this will be 900 degree. Now we'll solve this equation simultaneously. Very easy. So I'll solve here. So this will be X plus Y is 900 degree. Getting it? 5 pi radian is converted into 900 degree. X minus Y is 60 degree, already in degree, so no need to convert. 60 degree. Addition करेंगे, कट हुआ. 2x will be 960. X is equal to 960 divided by 2. X is equal to 480 degree. Substitute in any equation. Equation 1, but this will be in degree. So X plus Y is 900 degree. 480 degree plus Y is 900 degree. So Y is equal to 900 minus 480 will be 420 degree. This will be the answer. So two angles are 480 degree and 420 degree. Getting it? Easy है? चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. The measure of the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:7:8. 3:7:8. Find them in degree and radian. Find them in degree and radian. अभी सिर्फ रेशियो देके रखा है, तीनों एंगल के, ट्रायंगल के तीनों एंगल का रेशियो देके रखा है 3, 7, 8. We have to find them in degree and radian both. सबसे पहले तो अपन कॉमन मल्टीपल डिसाइड करते हैं. लेट बी कॉमन मल्टीपल बी x. Therefore the angles are 3x, 7x and 8x, isn't it? Now in any triangle, sum of all this is 180. 3x plus 7x plus 8x is 180 degree. 3 plus 7 plus 8, 18x is 180 degree. X is 180 upon 18, so x is 10 degree. आगे x का आंसर. therefore angles कौन से therefore the angles are 3x, 3 into 10 will be 30 degree. 30 डिग्री. और इसको रेडियन में भी कन्वर्ट कर दो. 30 इंटू पाई बाई 180 विल बी पाई बाई 6 रेडियन. दूसरा है 7x. 7 इंटू 10 70 डिग्री. 70 इंटू पाई बाई 180, so this will be 7 pi upon 18 radian. And last is 8x will be 8 into 10, 80 degree. 80 इंटू पाई बाई 180, एक जीरो कट, ये हो जाएगा 4, ये हो जाएगा 9, 4 पाई बाई 9 रेडियन. ओके, क्लियर हुआ? है सिंपल. तीनों का रेशियो देके रखा है तो तीनों को कॉमन मल्टीपल लेके एक्स करके सॉल्व कर दिया. अभी एक ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आएगा जिसमें 4 एंगल के रेशियोज देंगे, 3:4:5:6, जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल. तो जब 4 एंगल दिए तो वो क्वाड्रिलेटरल हो जाएगा, और क्वाड्रिलेटरल होगा उसका मतलब है कि इसके चारों एंगल का एडिशन 360 डिग्री आएगा. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, इसके ऊपर मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी सम्स दे के रखे सॉल्व करने को. सॉल्व करके मुझे सब व्हाट्सअप करो आपके इमेजेस. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मैं आपको अपडेट करता रहूँगा. आगे हम लोग चालू करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 से. प्रोबेबली ये वीक में ये चैप्टर ख़त्म करने की कोशिश करेंगे और इसके ऊपर का असाइनमेंट भी दूंगा. टिल देन टेक केयर, ख्याल रखें और सुरक्षित रहिए, घर पे ही रहिए. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.